Did you know a software developer accidentally revolutionized an entire company's workspace with just a few plants and a fake fan? Marcus was a coder trapped in open office hell. Every 5 minutes, someone would tap his shoulder or start a loud conversation right next to his desk. His flow state was constantly shattered, turning simple tasks into hours of frustration. So he got creative. First, he strategically placed tall plants around his desk like green walls. Then he bought a white noise machine disguised as an innocent desk fan. Finally, he rigged his noise-canceling headphones with a custom light system that screamed, "Do not disturb." His productivity fortress was complete. Within weeks, his code output tripled while his stress levels plummeted. Coworkers noticed and started copying his setup, plant by plant. Soon the entire office looked like a jungle of focused workers. Management was so impressed they made his focus zone concept official company policy. Sometimes the best solutions hide in plain sight.